Okay, today's lesson is on graphing systems of equations. Notice this is equations, not inequalities like we have been doing. Alright, so when you have systems of equations, there's three different possible answers. Make sure you write down these notes. If your two lines are intersecting lines, that means there's one solution. And it's a consistent, independent solution is its type. If you end up graphing two lines that actually end up being the exact same line, then there's infinitely many solutions because you figure one line has infinitely many points in it, and the second line right on top of it would be the same thing. That type of solution is consistent and dependent. And if you end up with a solution, system of equations, i.e. two lines on the same graph, and they're parallel, then it's a no solution, and it's an inconsistent type of solution. So let's go ahead and use the graph to determine whether each system has no solution, one solution, or infinitely many. So let's go ahead and look at this. So here I have y equals negative x plus 5 and y equals x minus 3. So right here, this one does have a solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that solution is 4, 1. So that one has one solution because the two lines cross. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next one. Y equals negative x plus 5. And 2x plus 2y equals negative 8. Well, here's the one line, and here's the second line. Those lines are actually parallel, so that is a no solution. And now on the next one, 2x plus 2y equals negative 8, and y equals negative 4. You'll notice there it's actually the very same line. So this one is infinitely many because they end up being on the same line. And when we look at y equals 2x plus 14 and y equals negative x minus 4, that one has one solution because those lines do cross. So now this is what we're going to do. We're going to graph each of these, and we're going to write if it's one solution. If it's one solution, we're going to write down the solution, the ordered pair where they cross. And if it's no solution, then we'll write that down, or infinitely many. On the second one, you'll note that it is a no solution because we ended up with the same slope, graphed them, and they were parallel lines. Okay, so again, when you end up having to solve for y, it takes a little bit longer, but you'll see immediately if they have the same slope, it's going to be no solution. If they end up being the same line because you solved for y, then it's infinitely many. So let's look at these two. So make sure you practice this at your house, and we will do more of it in class.